English speaking practice. केमिति कहबी? How to say? How to say? कौन कहबी? What to say? What to say? केमिति करिबी? How to do? How to do? कौन करिबी? What to do? What to do? केबे जिबी? When to go? When to go? कुआड़े जिबी? Where to go? Where to go? मो पूर्वरु? Before me? Before me? तुम पूर्वरु? Before you? Before you? मो परे? After me? After me? तुम परे? After you? After you? उठी जाओ. Get up. Get up. बाहर जाओ. Get out. Get out. सबुठु प्रथमे. First of all. First of all. अति कम रे. At least. At least. क्षमा करिबे. Excuse me. Excuse me. ठीक अछि. It's okay. It's okay. मोते एबे कुह. Tell me now. Tell me now. सबुठु प्रथमे. Very fast. Very fast. एही गोटा. एही गोटा. This one. This one. सही गोटा. That one. That one. कहाँ पाई? For whom? For whom? कहाँ पाई नुहे? For no one. For no one. केवल तुमरी पाई. Only for you. Only for you. तुम बिना. Without you. Without you. तुम परी. Like you. Like you. बिल्कुल तुम परी. Just like you. Just like you. एहाकु करो. Do it. Do it. एहाकु शीघ्र करो. Do it fast. Do it fast. टिके कामुड़ी नियो. Take a bite. Take a bite. ढोके पी नियो. Take a sip. Take a sip. मो आगरे. Ahead of me. Ahead of me. समस्तंकठु आगरे. Ahead of all. Ahead of all. तुमठु आगरे. Ahead of you. Ahead of you. लड़ाई करनी. Don't fight. Don't fight. डियो नहीं. Don't jump. Don't jump. कहीं के एमिति? Why so? Why so? ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ. That's why. That's why. ଆମ ସହିତ. With us. With us. ତାଙ୍କ ସହିତ. With him. With him. ମୋ ସହିତ. With me. With me. ତୁମ ସହିତ. With you. With you. ସେମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ. With them. With them. ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ସହିତ. With all. With all. ମୋତେ ଦିଅ. Give me. Give me. ମୋ ସାମ୍ନାରେ in front of me, in front of me, ମୋ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଉପରେ on my head, on my head, ଟିକେ ଘୁଞ୍ଚ move a bit, move a bit, ଏବେ ତୁମେ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କର now you try, now you try, ଚେଷ୍ଟା କର try it, try it, ଆମର ଇଚ୍ଛା our desires, our desires, ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ପଛରେ behind all, behind all, କେଉଁ ପ୍ରକାରେ in what way, in what way. That's it. ये था किसी basic English sentences. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.